Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I have slowly started to introduce this arrangement to morning direct sunlight. Remember, I had made this arrangement from scratch. I had shown you how to repot and set these up, and now you can see they are doing extremely well. You can see even my onslow has started to open a little bit. This one is still very small, so they will take some time to open up, whereas I'm not very sure about this Echeveria. I initially thought probably it is Echeveria Roman, but I'm not very sure because the leaves are very thin. Usually Roman has very thick leaves, but I'm starting to see a lot of stress colors because I have slowly started to introduce it to morning direct sunlight. Today was probably 2 hours of morning direct sunlight, and then it is kept back in indirect bright light. I'm going to do this for a week until they get acclimated, but I can see that they are slowly starting to get acclimated to this process, and they are slowly starting to show the stress colors because today was 2 hours of morning direct sunlight, so the colors are starting to get a little bit more visible. So I'm quite happy. The arrangement is starting to settle in quite well. The onslow has opened up quite a bit. I had done one watering after I had repotted it. After almost 6 days I had done a watering, so now they are starting to catch up. Probably the roots have started to adjust into the soil. The roots are very healthy, and that's one of the reason why the leaves are starting to open up, which means that the succulent is starting to soak up the water from the soil. So the roots are healthy and the soil mix was loose. That's why it is the combination is working out really well for my succulents, and that's why the succulents are starting to open up and absorb that water from the soil. So I'm pretty happy with this arrangement. As I've said, I have left enough space in between so that there's a good amount of air circulation, and as and when the succulent starts to grow, they do not get congested in this pot, so that I do not have to repot them, or I do not have to change any succulents from the arrangement. Otherwise what happens is that if you tend to push them together, and when they start to grow, it becomes a little difficult for them to spread around. So it's always better to leave a little bit of space in between. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.